If you're eyeing for a scholarship, internship, or applying to the next degree, you want to pay attention to your CGPA. Each school will have their own requirement, so you need to know how to calculate your CGPA and keep track of it. GPA shows your performance in an academic term like fall, winter, spring, or summer, while CGPA shows your overall performance for the total duration of your studies, which could be like 4 years for a bachelor's degree. Once you've taken more than one semester of classes, you can calculate your CGPA. Let's say this is your third semester. You're gonna need the total credit hours and GPA for each semester. Here's a video on GPA if you need help with that. Let's say you took 13 credit hours in semester 1 and your GPA was 3.28. Semester 2 was much better, 12 credit with GPA 4.0. Semester 3, 14 credit with GPA 3.45. Multiply the total credit hour with GPA for each semester and then you add them all up. That's your total credit points. And then you add up the total credit hours as well. To calculate your CGPA, take the total credit points and divide with the total credit hours. You got CGPA of 3.56 using this example. Want to calculate your CGPA without pulling out your calculator? Get this CGPA spreadsheet along with other cool calculators by joining the Simplifiers newsletter. Here are the other calculations you need to know when tracking your grades. See you over there.